Say hello to the future of chewing gum production. The automatic ball chewing gum production line combines cutting-edge technology with efficiency to produce perfectly shaped gum balls in various flavors. From mixing and extrusion to cooling and packaging, this fully automated system ensures high speed, consistent quality, and minimal waste. Ideal for large-scale manufacturing, it is designed to enhance productivity and meet growing market demands. Whether you're scaling up your business or launching a new product, this production line is the key to sweet success. Boost your production and stay ahead of the competition with innovation at its best.